Here is my herb garden. In the winter months, I tend to bring in my herb plants and keep them in my conservatory. As you can see over there, I have my red peppers. That's my thyme in those two pots. Yes, that's thyme there. And that's rosemary. Yes, and cilantro. And it's from these thyme pots and from this rosemary that I got my herbs to make the green seasoning together with vegetables that I bought from the supermarket. So watch me and learn how to make this Caribbean green seasoning. Okay, guys? All right. Now that it's springs upon us, my um, herb plants have gone back out into my garden, my backyard. Okay, guys, here we begin. Here am I, guys. I have in front of me flat leaf parsley, oregano, basil from my garden pot, thyme from my herb garden pot, thyme, yes, garlic, and celery, pepper, spring onions were all bought from the store. Right, guys, here I am going to be using the blender. You can use a blender or a food processor, whatever you have. And guys, I have washed all the ingredients. So here I begin chopping away. Okay, there we go. eternity. Oh, Jesus, everlasting life. Jesus, everlasting life. Jesus, everlasting life to thee. Oh, Jesus, everlasting life to thee, to me. So guys, so we add salt there. So now I need to just bottle it. Guys, this green seasoning is so tasty. You all must give it a try and let me know. And don't forget to like, to comment, and most importantly to share. Share with a friend, share with your family, share everywhere that is shareable, guys. So that's it. Yeah, the bottle. I'm gonna have to use this bit. Bottle cannot hold anymore. Green seasoning. So guys, as I said, please like, share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from some of you all. Tell me, do I have my subscribers and viewers, whenever you all make green seasoning, is it part of your cuisine in your wherever you come from, whatever country you come from? Is it part? Let me know. And those of you, if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. There's a subscribe button below this video. All you have to do is press it. It's free, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So see you all soon. Bye for now, and take care, guys. Bye. Peace, love, and understanding. Bye.